Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. And if you're a subscriber or you continue to visit this channel from time to time, thanks so much for coming. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to make an underdress. It's also called underwear or undercover. Usually worn under a dress or a kaftan, as you can see from the picture. So this is what I'll be making today. I needed to make this camisole overnight for myself because I needed it for the next morning, and I just thought last minute I need to record a video in case someone would need this tutorial. So let's get started. I'll be making use of 1.5 meters of a stretch fabric. So you want to lay your fabric, you want to fold it over like that. I'll be cutting the front panel first before I cut the second panel. So this is the front panel. First of all, you want to take 3.5 inches for the width of your neckline. I'm going to be going for a V-neck. So I'm going to be coming down by 6 inches at first. To be honest, later in the video, I made it 8 inches. Because the dress I was going to be wearing was about 6 inches deep. So I needed the neckline to be deeper. Now here, after taking the measurement for the neckline, you want to divide your shoulder measurement by 2 and you want to make the marking. My shoulder is 16 inches divided by 2, 8 inches, and 3.5 inches for the width. And the neck depth is 6 here, which I later extended. You can extend it to how you want it. So next will be the armhole measurement, which is your armhole circumference divided by 2. But before you put that, you want to come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. You need your 1 inch shoulder slope before you add the armhole measurement. So your armhole circumference divided by 2, you want to make the marking there, which I've done. I've got 8 inches. So also you want to do a shoulder to bust point measurement, which is 10.5 here. Rule a line and add your bust circumference divided by 4 measurement. Make the marking and add 1 inch sewing allowance. Then draw out your armhole, which I've done here, as you can see. Now you want to add the length of the underwear. For me, it's 40 inches. Now for the width over there, you want to make sure you have enough to accommodate your hip or your bust, whichever is the biggest part of your body. So for me, it's the hip line. So I'm making sure I've got my hip measurement circumference divided by 4, right? Plus 1 inch is allowance and 1 inch sewing allowance. That is what I've got on the side. So the underwear is free as much as possible. I want you to take note of this. We're not going to be adding the waistline or the hip line measurement. So from the underarm, the armhole by the bust, I'm going to be coming down to the length of the dress. Slight A shape, guys, not straight, slight A shape, because this is what I want. It's a stretch fabric and I might as well make it a bit fitted, but I want it a bit loose. So I'm going to come down like an A shape. So if you want to follow this pattern as well, you can as well do the same like mine. So this is it after cutting out. Very easy and straightforward. Now I've placed the front panel on the other panel. I want to cut the back. The neckline for the back is different from the front. This one is a bit of a circle. So I've come down by 4 inches here. You want to come in by 5 if you want, or 3, whatever suits your need. So here I've come down by 4 inches and I'll be cutting the same on the shoulder and all the way down. Now I've got my front panel and my back panel. The ease allowance you apply on your underwear depends on the fabric you are using. I am using a stretch fabric, so I don't need too much allowance. But if you're using a cotton fabric, make sure you leave enough allowance so you are able to wear your underwear. I went ahead and did all the stitching together, and guys, this is the end result. You can do this in 10 minutes. It's not hard at all. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, look after yourself and bye for now.